So it's your girl Jay. Welcome or welcome back to my channel if you new here. This is episode 2 of me turning my sister into a hairstylist. Today hair we working with is By the Way Balayage Highlight 13 by 6 lace front human hair wig. 26 inch. 200 density. Pre-plug. Stay tuned for the install.
What's your YouTube Instagram are? And I'm finna do
Part 2.
Good.
Y'all, this is
Good
part
job.
2, you know?
Part 2. Let's get into it, guys.
Never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll.
That's why I'm cutting this shot. She be my phone. Come on. Shoot. So we using.
Shut up.
It don't matter.
I've gotten really good at balancing on this tiny little plate.
It don't move lace adhesive. You know the girl on TikTok. She put him in the chokehold when she do the lace. Oh, I do know who you is, girl. I'm sorry. There you go. Oh, the head big. I'm gonna do the whole ball. Not too much. Them little edges. They ain't like, y'all know my hair freshly did, so she ain't leaving no edges out. Got me looking like somebody about a head. Messy. Yeah, I know the her head big. Man, and they ain't put makeup on the wig. Hey, one of your cookies? I know I don't miss. Wait, you supposed to come through?
All the way down there.
Oh, why you trying to eat?
I'm hungry.
Come on. Dang, you can't go in the outside that got a bit back. Is it Mel? Is it Mel? Is the lace? Can you find the lace right now? Is it Mel? You don't hear number smack. I'm trying to find the food. You really probably got to be glue so we can.
said it was a prank.
Yeah, you can spray that on it now. See, I'm really a hairstylist. Good night. All right, not too much, cause sometimes it'll be too wet. They'll come off like. You look like I need a push.
Oh, girl.
They're right on the table.
I think you should take it.
Just stay over there. Alright, man.
And my shit pumping up in the jam. Hold get up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck.
I'm sorry, thank you.
We having difficulties.
They gonna be like, please get out of here. She don't even know. She telling me, hold this. Lord. On video is crazy. Dang. I ain't gonna be able to think. It seems like you don't be thinking. Good. Don't spit on my floor. You know you eat popcorn. Y'all ain't crunching much. But she don't want.
Look at my chips.
Alright, oh, this ain't right here. Hold on. This is tight. I don't even know my name. Y'all look. Look what she got my hair tied with. Yeah. The thing go inside the weed. I thought that was because you was playing Lester. This why it was so tight. Bruh.
big old Sprite. I'm finna show you how big that shit is.
I'm trying to drink.
You can't do people's hair. I ain't trying to eat.
No, my watch I can't. You want your hair did? I got me some more. Alright, then I show them my snacks.
Big,
It's a big, big, big fat.
and she got these too.
Baby, you been eating them. I don't even rock with them like this.
Put a line along the line. It's a little risky right here.
Shut up, all that talking. That bro got me.
Don't blame me. What's wrong with you?
Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on 7. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on 7.
Let me do it.
Let me do it. Who you doing that at?
You?
Seen the last time, man.
How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong, though.
Dog, I'm burning my own hand.
Good. Don't burn me. I'm telling you. Hey, you playing danger game now.
You should never came.
She ain't talking to me, y'all. She on the phone.
No, I'm not.
She on the phone with the AirPod.
I'm talking to her. Miss Me.
How many times you gonna call next?
You want to be late and slayed fried to the side.
Laid down, fried. I'm fried. Yeah, I'm fried from the plate.
You ain't fried about nothing. With this hair.
Don't fry my hair the way you looking a little fried.
Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on 7. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on 7. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
I'm still here, y'all.
Oh my God, y'all can come get her. At this point, I don't even care how I do
Hey, the
this no
kids,
more.
they alright. Though.
Go.
They ain't all that, but they alright. We ain't gonna hype it up. Hey, this, you gotta get this off my head. Oh, I had to get it off, y'all. One hand, I had it. Y'all, we gonna fix the lace, not too much. Y'all give me some
I ain't
eggs
fixing
today.
nothing.
What up? Let me start. Well, you see she fixing the hell out of me. I'll meet y'all back probably like tomorrow. Cause, yeah. What they gonna say? Okay, what's up, y'all? It's a couple days later. I didn't get to show y'all the end. I ended up switching my work. Y'all know I love a side part. But anyway, this was episode 2 of me turning my sister into a hairstylist. I ain't really combed my curls out. Yeah, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all like these videos. 1 part 3, episode 3. And next time she do it, I'm gonna let her do it like the whole thing by herself. Cause I was still walking her through it, like telling her next step and whatever. Y'all liked in my other video when she first did my hair, y'all asked for part 2 and I just now, you know. But yeah, go watch that video if you haven't. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.